Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotic soda. Crafting your own fizzy, gut-friendly drinks is surprisingly simple and rewarding. We will guide you through each essential step, from gathering your basic ingredients to achieving that perfect bubbly finish. Get ready to transform simple components into a delightful, healthful beverage that you can customize to your taste. Let's dive into the exciting world of homemade probiotic soda. To begin your probiotic soda journey, you will need a few key items. First, a starter culture is crucial. A ginger bug or water kefir grains work wonderfully. You will also need about 4 cups of filtered water and 1/4 cup of sugar to feed your culture. For equipment, ensure you have clean glass jars for fermentation, airtight bottles for the second fermentation, and a breathable cloth cover for your initial brew. These simple tools are all you need to get started. The first fermentation is where the magic truly happens. Combine your starter culture, about 1/4 cup of sugar, and 4 cups of filtered water in a clean glass jar. Stir well until the sugar dissolves completely. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth, securing it with a rubber band, and let it sit at room temperature. This initial stage typically takes between 2 and 5 days. Taste it daily to find your preferred balance of sweetness and tang. Once your first fermentation is complete, it is time to add flavor and bottle your soda. Carefully strain out your starter culture, setting it aside for future batches. Now, incorporate your chosen flavorings, such as 1/2 cup of fruit juice or a few slices of fresh ginger. Pour the flavored liquid into clean, airtight bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Let these bottles sit at room temperature for 1 to 3 days for the second fermentation, creating that wonderful fizz.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.